Okay, so let's take a look at how you can create purchase order tracker in Coda. So if you signed up to Coda, get one free workspace where you can create a new document. So I'm starting with start blank doc option, which should open a document where we have to start from scratch. So we will give it a title, purchase order tracker, and here use / and that should create a table. Now by default you can see it has one header. We can use purchase order title over there, right? Then it has options, so you can use options or even show your table with specific these icons. So I'm gonna remove them so that the default formatting goes away, right? So what we can do, we will start from new column, right? And let's remove one more, right? So we have some of these columns, so like 4 columns we have, and we will be needing like 6 columns, right? Okay, so starting with first we have one item, then we have description of that item, then we have quantity, right? Then we have like unit, then we have price and total, right? So these are some of the things that we have here, and if I want to set some specific values for these columns, say quantity is basically a number, so use number. Then unit, we are going to have number, right? So we also be having price and total, all of them as number, right? So let's say if we have first item, we are getting scrubber, right? And see, if you don't have any description for scrubber, use that, right? So here we choose like 10 quantity, then right total unit that we have, or say if you how many units you wish to order or etc, you can keep that in this particular log. Say total I have like 10 unit that we are going to order, and then price say 2.99, right? So usually the formula goes something like, for total we are going to choose formula. So let's delete this for now and rename this as total, and here we are going to use formula, right? So for formula, what we can do is we can use quantity, multiply it by price. So quantity and price, we have our output here, right? So if you don't want to maintain the chef units, you can remove this particular column, right? Because quantity and price alone would do the rest. Then you have a description which is necessary, right? Then your item, right? If you want to maintain the date, you can also add one more column for that, right? So we can here have one conditional format color, so let's say red or orange, right? And see, we have quantity, make it green, or again even, right? So let's go with something like, let's see, right? So we have green here, right? Then we have price, right? So for price we can go with something blue like, right? So we have like these colors for each item that we add, right? And let's have one color here, right? So we have like item, right? So if your item, let's try and have some green shade here, so that leaves the description. So we can add, let's say, yellow. Where is description? It should be yellow, and item, we have that color. So pretty much color coded with the columns here. So we have our purchase order tracker created in Coda. Okay, it should look something like this.